A medical marijuana bill is steps closer to passing.
But this bill wouldn't pass medical marijuana. It would put pressure on the FDA to do more testing on the controversial drug. WMBF News reporter Aaron Edwards spoke with lawmakers today, and she joins us live in the studio tonight with more. Aaron.
Eric and Meredith, Senator Greg Hembry proposed the bill in an effort to push the FDA to get more information about medical marijuana. He says passing medical marijuana is something lawmakers just need more information about.
Let's just treat marijuana like medicine and have it go through the same process.
That's the idea behind Senator Greg Hembry's medical marijuana bill.
What this resolution does is it calls on the FDA to ramp up their efforts in the testing and the evaluation and hopefully approval of medicines based on that have marijuana compounds in them.
Hembry says deciding if marijuana should be used as medicine isn't a call legislators should make on their own.
That's the FDA's role to make those judgments. I think that's where we need to be having this debate about marijuana is around the FDA. Let them make those decisions.
Employees of Carolina Forest Pharmacy say they're all for more testing and believe medical marijuana could help in the opioid epidemic.
With testing, we could discover how beneficial it's going to be for different medical conditions that people are wanting to use it for. Examples could be like pain, arthritis, anxiety, seizures, sleep. These are just a few examples of the ones that most people have been using it for.
Now, since this bill is on the state level, passing it won't guarantee more testing.
It's basically just stating where we stand. We're asking them, and they don't work for us, so I don't know that it's going to speed their process up, not one bit, but it can at least demonstrate that we're this is the approach that South Carolina chooses to take.
If the legislation passes its third and final reading in Columbia,
there's a process where we actually take that resolution and memorialize it and communicate it to the federal government. There's sort of a channel that you go through to states do this on a regular basis on one subject or another, and send that up to Washington and hope for the best.
The legislation is up for its third and final reading on Tuesday. Live in the studio, Aaron Edwards, WMBF.